for trades.
Hey, happy Monday, everybody. June 12th. We're already halfway through this month. I'm watching ASST, IFBD, and AHI. Here's a look at the scans for the morning. Oh my God. You know what? I don't have that screen up. Okay, there it is. Those are the scans. Oh, DFLI just popped up on here. Well, it's brand new. I don't know. SPY. So there's DFLI. Here's SPY, the market this morning. We're trading inside of yesterday's range, and we have a minute and a half to go till the market opens. I was watching ASST, our leading gapper here, making some pretty good moves this morning, pre-market, and now consolidating. We started with 5-minute inside bars right here, and that was equilibrium on the 1 minute, high, low, lower, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low, lower, high, bear break, and then the bulls bought the dip. So see that inside bar, bear break, bulls bought the dip. We made a move up. So then I started expecting a 5-minute equilibrium with a high, low, lower, high. We're scouting a higher low, still am. Looking to hold 291. So let me stretch this out. I was hoping to hold $3. And then over here on this one, we had a high, low, lower, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low, bull break. So we're already breaking out on AHI. Need to see some volume come into it. Topping out right there. And as the market is about to open, I'm going to be looking for a pullback to support levels to find my entries. So here we go. Good luck today. And my clock is 5 seconds behind. That's not good. There's a pullback right there. And another one on ASST. And another one here on IFBD. So I'm in each of these stocks one time a piece. I'll hold for a bit and see what kind of move we get. And I'm flattening everything right there. And just like that, wow, look at that move. I'm at my daily goal. So I could keep trading. I'm at 1.5 times my daily goal. The last 2 times I kept trading, I gave back half. So I'm not sure I want to keep trading. Had I held this, it would have been a much bigger winner, but we didn't know it was going to do that. Yeah, today I went into my trading saying, so I watched some of my previous videos and I noticed that I've been missing trades first thing in the morning, these pullbacks to support levels. And then I've been jumping in on the breakouts instead. And then that's been killing me because then it pulls back and stops me out. So today I made sure that I did not get into a trade unless it pulled back. And all 3 of these came back to a support. ASST didn't quite make it down to 291. It was close, but that's okay. And boy, sure could have held ASST and AHI for much bigger moves, but that's okay. Just kind of watch the price action now and see what's going to happen here. SPY is dropping. We're trading inside of yesterday's range. Yeah, once I get to the point where I've hit my daily goal, I don't feel the need to be so aggressive anymore. I'm like, I'm there. I made it. So I'm kind of relaxed now, but that can get me into trouble sometimes too. See, I really don't know that I want to jump in ASST here. I will widen my stop out now that we're seeing some bigger range candles. It was a nice break through the high. Got quite a few lines here now to get rid of. We have a new high. Our high of day is up at 350. Nice psychological level. Pulled back into this area here, that 333 level. PLTR is hitting the scanner. I haven't had a whole lot of luck on PLTR lately. I don't know that I want to trade it. A great big outside bar here on AHI. Holding the volume weighted average price so far on all three of these candles. Big red candle here, but some of that is bull action too. So we may consolidate under 350 here for a bit. I almost bought that drop on ASST right there, but I'm going to see if it drops a little bit more maybe. I'm going to go ahead and buy this on AHI here. Flatten it there. Oops, ASST, almost missed that trade. We got that one now. I think it's going to drop more maybe, so I'm going to get back out. Nice move on AHI. That was an inside bar bull break that I bought. And we were holding the volume weighted average price. I'm going to buy it there. Ooh, my stop is really tight. I'm going to get right back out. I'm going to widen my stop out, 23 cents. I had my stop loss at 5 cents away, and that candle range is 23 cents. Wow. I was lucky I didn't get stopped out there. So SPY, or PLTR actually. IFBD, okay. Nice break on that. We do have a little bit of volume on it. I noticed yesterday it made some moves, but it didn't have a lot of volume on its move up. I'm up $187. It would be kind of cool to get to 200. I'm not going to push it though. IFBD, I'm going to buy that drop back there. Sure is whipping around. Normally I'd be getting out of it by now, but I'm going to hold it just for a bit longer just to see if it gives me the next move up. And there we go. Okay, so yeah, that's probably where I'm going to stop. I wanted to get to 200 and I'm up at 220 now. That was a nice move. I'm afraid if I keep trading, I'm going to give back and drop below 200. And once I start to get afraid, that's my cue to stop trading, because usually my worst fears come true because I make them come true because I have that fear. So short and simple today, nice momentum. I was wondering, because we didn't have a lot to look at this morning, but oftentimes those are the best days because then you have more focused attention on those few stocks versus having a bunch of stocks to look at and attention all spread out. So it's a good way to start my Monday after having that one big red day a couple of days ago. We may bounce off the volume weighted average price here. It's not a trade that I'm willing to take, but we also have these levels here to watch. So could come down to there. There's this one here too. Oh, look at this. This is classic bear break, bull break. I'm tempted. You know what? I'm going to close my trading windows down here so then I can't trade. This looks like a good setup. Nice bounce off the volume weighted average price. So that worked. And here we are pulling back on this one now. We do have this level here. We already dropped below that one. EMAs are there. So the basic idea is just to look for support levels because people are buying off of those supports. Some people are marking 223 and waiting for that. Other people are playing off of the EMA. Some people maybe were playing off of that level. And of course, you have more bears than bulls right now, so it's just going to drop even further. And keeping in mind we are trading below the volume weighted average price, oftentimes you'll get a bounce up to the volume weighted average price, and then you'll see a continued downtrend. We are in a downtrend on the 15-minute. We're looking for a higher low on the hourly. And here goes ASST. Kicking some ass, T. Can I say that? ST. Ooh, T. That sounds good. Well, up $220 on my day. I think I'm going to call that good. And I'll come back here tomorrow and we'll do it again. Stay tuned for the trade review coming up in a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Adios.